In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 8.5 by 11 in Canva. This is a common size for documents, flyers, and more. It's essential to know how to set up your canvas correctly to ensure your designs fit your needs. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Canva. This step is straightforward but crucial. You want to access the official Canva website, so be mindful of the search results. You should see a link that typically includes canva.com at the top of the results. Clicking on this link will take you directly to the Canva homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Once you have reached the Canva homepage, click on the correct link and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one easily. Logging in is vital because it allows you to save your work and access your previously created designs. You will see your dashboard filled with templates and past projects. This personalized space is where you can start designing effectively. Now let's move on to the next step. Click on the Create button. This button is usually located at the top of your dashboard. It's often displayed prominently, making it easy to find. Clicking this button will prompt Canva to prepare for a new design. This action is your gateway to starting fresh on a new project. Next up, click the Custom Size button located in the top right corner of the page. This button is represented by a plus sign icon inside a rectangle. Selecting this option is crucial because it will allow you to specify exact dimensions for your project. By doing this, you ensure that your design will fit the standard US letter size, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. After that, change the unit drop-down menu from pixels to inches. This is an important step. Always change the unit before typing the numbers. If you type the numbers first, Canva will reset your dimensions back to pixels. This small detail can save you time and frustration later. Precision in design is key, and getting the units right will help you maintain that precision. Now, type 8.5 into the width box. This sets the width of your design. After typing this number, take a moment to double-check it. It's essential to ensure this dimension is correct because it affects the overall layout of your design. You will see the number appear in the box, confirming that you have entered it correctly. Next, type 11 into the height box. This sets the height of your design. Like the previous step, accuracy here is critical. Make sure you have typed it correctly. Once you have done this, the dimensions will display in the correct format, ensuring your workspace is set up for an 8.5 by 11 document. Now, click Create New Design to open your blank US letter size document workspace. This is the moment you've been working towards. Once you click this button, Canva will generate a new workspace for you, and you will see a blank canvas ready for your creativity. This is an exciting step as it is where your ideas can come to life. You are now ready to start designing with the correct dimensions in place. Remember, having the right size document is essential for ensuring your designs look professional. It provides a solid foundation for whatever project you are working on. Enjoy your design journey and happy creating.